How to enable or disable save original screenshots after editing on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top, and in here tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down, and in here tap on advanced features. After that, go down and tap on screenshots and screen recordings. Now in here, tap on save original screenshots. Tap on the toggle button to turn this on or switch it off. And this lets you revert to the original screenshots after editing them in gallery, but it uses more storage space. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.